Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's Excel tutorial, I'll show you 3 awesome ways to use paste special. Convert negative numbers to positive, turn values into percentages, copy without blanks. Let's jump right in. Let's convert negative numbers to positive values. Type -1 in an empty cell and copy that cell. Select the values you want. Go to Paste Special, select Multiple, and click OK. Excel multiplied each value by -1. Want to convert numbers to percentages, like turning 10 into 10%? Here's a paste special trick for that too. In a blank cell, type 1%. Copy it. Select the numbers you want to convert. Go to Paste Special and select Multiple and press OK. Then, format the numbers as a percentage. Need to copy data but skip the blank cells? Paste Special to the rescue again. Highlight the data range, copy it, and select the range you want to paste it to. Then go to Paste Special and select Skip Blanks. Press OK. Done. And that's it! 3 super useful Paste Special tips that save time and clicks. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Excel tricks.